Today we're going to have a tasting of our Caramelized Sweet Potato Bourbon. But first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so let's get going. I guess the first thing you'd like to know, what was the ingredients of this bourbon? Well, the ingredients was we used 10 pounds of corn, we used 5 pounds of 2-row barley, 2 pounds of wheat, and 1 pound of rye. Plus, the star of the show was 8 pounds of sweet potatoes, and we baked them and caramelized some brown sugar on top of them before we put it in the distillate. Okay, and of course we used daddy's yeast. And then what we did is when we distilled it out, we distilled it out to 110 proof. And it's been in the barrel for 2 months. All right, so I'm really looking forward to trying this one. Okay, so let's pour us a glass. All right. Okay. I mean, you can see it's a nice color. It's a nice bronze looking color. All right. So, I like the color of it. Nice, like I said, a nice bronze looking color. It's got like a caramel smell to it. Maybe a little bit of leather. Does that make sense? And of course I can smell vanilla. It has vanilla notes to it. I don't know if I can, there's another aroma in there that I just can't pick out yet. Maybe a little fruity. Okay. All right, so what do we got to taste? Here we go. Of course, it does have a caramel taste to it. Real nice, gentle burn. It's not harsh at all. Nice, gentle burn, especially for putting it in 110 proof. I can taste the corn taste, and I know a lot of people say, well, what's corn taste? But I can taste the corn does have a taste. I can taste corn. It almost has a honey taste to it. Kind of like a little bit of a sweet taste. And of course, oak. You know, it's got that aged oak from the barrel, I believe. And I can taste the sweet potato. I really can taste that sweet potato. It's a nice, nice taste to it. Oh, that is fantastic. You know, you love it when a plan comes together. Oh. I mean, now the finish on it, it seems like it's a very balanced finish on it. It's not harsher and it's not too sweet. It almost has like a creamy taste. I'm really enjoying this. Mouthfeel. I gotta just keep tasting, right? I mean, it fills your mouth up and then it's gone. That is really, really, really nice. It's very pleasant. I have to say it's really pleasant. Like I said before, it has a sweetness to it, which is fantastic. I can't believe that. That is fantastic. Should I leave it in the barrel for a little while longer? I don't quite know. I think that it's pretty darn good just the way it is. So I might end up taking it out of the barrel, put it in some bottles, and leave it on the shelf for a little while. And then it will be crazy good. So what I'll end up doing, because there's a couple little particles in there from the wood, I'll just put it through some coffee filters just to get those little particles out, which is normal. A couple of pieces of charcoal in there. That means the barrel's doing its job. Would I make this again? You better believe it. 100%. All right. I mean, I got a tough job. I poured this. I got to finish it, right? That is fantastic. Well, another year has gone by. I hope you all had a great Christmas, and I hope you have a great and safe New Year. I just want everybody, I wanted to just to thank everybody that's been watching this channel, and all of you that have subscribed, thanks a lot. Hey, just remember, if you haven't subscribed, you still got enough time to do that before the end of the year. All right. And all those thumbs ups and the comments, they've all been fantastic. I enjoy answering the questions, and the kind words that people give out is fantastic. Everybody out there is fantastic. Okay? All right. Everybody's always wondering what's going on with Stillworks and Brewing. Well, here lately I took some time off to be with the family, and that was fantastic. So in the new year, we'll get back to where we were at. We'll try to put out one video a week. I know you all enjoy that. A lot of people told me they enjoy Monday at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and that just warms my heart. So I did, like I said, I took a little time off to take care of some of the projects around the house, and I've also been working on a couple projects at Stillworks and Brewing that's going to be very, very cool, and I think everybody will like them, but you'll have to stay tuned for them. I will be letting them out in the future, so they should be very enjoyable. Can't wait. Okay, like I said before, I want everybody to have a great and safe, happy New Year. Be careful out there. I guess the last thing I got to say. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Oh, what a tough job. Damn, that's good.